buying clothes at a shop.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Style House. Can I help you with anything today?
Yes, please. I'm looking for a casual dress.
Sure. Do you have a particular style or color in mind?
Not really, just something simple and comfortable.
In that case, let me show you a few options. They're right over here.
Thanks. Oh, I like this one.
That's one of our most popular styles.
Really? What colors does it come in?
It comes in blue, red, green, and white.
Can I see the blue one, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Oh, that's lovely. How much is it?
It's $45.
That's a little more than I wanted to spend. Do you have anything a bit cheaper?
Sure. These dresses here are $25, and they're very popular too.
Oh, I like this green one. Can I try it on?
Absolutely. The fitting rooms are at the back, on the right.
Thanks. Excuse me, do you have this in a smaller size? It's a little too big.
Let me check. Yes, we do. Here's a small.
Perfect. I'll try it on. This fits much better. I'll take it.
Great choice. Would you like to pay by cash or card?
Card, please.
No problem. You can pay right over here.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Meeting someone for the first time.
Hi, you must be the new guy.
Yeah, that's me. I started today. I'm Alex.
Nice to meet you, Alex. I'm Sarah.
Nice to meet you too.
So, where are you from?
I'm from Brazil. What about you?
I grew up here, actually.
Really? That's nice. Do you like living here?
I do. It's a great city. How about you? How long have you been here?
Just 3 weeks. Everything still feels pretty new.
I can imagine. Moving to a new place takes some time.
Definitely. But everyone I've met so far has been really friendly.
That's good to hear. So, what do you do?
I'm an engineer. My office is on the 3rd floor.
No way! Mine is too.
Seriously? That's perfect.
Yeah, we'll probably run into each other all the time.
Hopefully. Maybe we can grab lunch sometime.
How about today?
Sure, I'd love that.
Great. Let's meet in the cafeteria around 1.
Sounds good. See you then.
See ya.
Making a reservation at a restaurant.
Good evening, La Bella Restaurant. This is Lisa speaking. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to make a reservation, please.
Certainly. For what date?
This Saturday, June 6th.
Great. And how many people will be in your party?
4 people.
Perfect. What time would you like?
Around 7:30 p.m., if possible.
Let me check for you. Yes, we have a table available at 7:30.
That's perfect.
Wonderful. Can I get your name, please?
David Carter.
Could you spell your last name for me?
Sure. Carter.
Thank you, Mr. Carter. And what's the best phone number to reach you?
It's 07912 345 678.
Got it. Do you have any special requests?
Actually, yes. It's my wife's birthday, so we'd appreciate a quiet table if possible.
Of course. We'd be happy to arrange that.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Would you like us to add a birthday message or dessert for the occasion?
A birthday message would be wonderful.
Absolutely. I've made a note of that.
Great. Thank you.
So, just to confirm, you want a table for 4 this Saturday at 7:30 p.m. under the name David Carter.
That's correct.
Excellent. We look forward to seeing you on Saturday.
Thank you very much. Have a great evening.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Taking the bus.
Excuse me, Does this bus go to the city center?
Yes, it does. Hop on.
Great, thanks. How much is the fare?
$2.50.
I only have a $20 bill. Is that okay?
That's fine. I can give you change.
Thanks.
Here's your ticket and your change.
Thank you. About how long does it take to get to the city center?
Around 20 minutes, depending on traffic.
Okay. Is it the last stop?
Yes, it is. You can't miss it.
That's good to know. Could you let me know when we get there?
Sure, no problem.
Thanks. I appreciate it. Excuse me, is this seat taken? No, go ahead.
Thanks.
A few seconds later.
City Center! Last stop! Oh, we're here already?
Yep, this is your stop.
That was quick. Thanks for your help. You're welcome. Watch your step getting off.
Will do. Have a good day.
You too.